Alright, welcome back. This is the Military Gooner TV. Alright, so at this point in time, I want to say thank you very much for the support. All those who are subscribing to the channel, thank you very much, and I really do appreciate it. Keep tuning in, and I'll continue to give you good content. Now, this is a small, some short synopsis of Jamaican Gooners, giving them insight on what they think the game might turn out to be, and how we view the game, and what we think can happen, and what is likely to happen. They're going to give their predictions, their starting lineup, and what they think might happen, and how they think the game might pan out. Now, stay tuned, and I'll show you how these guys view the game. Everyone might be different, everyone has their own perspective, but look into it. This is Military Gooner Art. Before I go, I'm going to give you my starting lineup and what I think and what should happen. Good. First, starting lineup, definitely Leno in goal. Right back, preferred right back is the Maitland-Niles. He gets the best out of Pepe, so I prefer to go with Ainsley Maitland-Niles. Centre back pairing of Holding or David Luiz. Let me see. Ooh, that's a good one. Alright, so David Luiz, because we know the reason why I would use David Luiz, because Wolves have a tendency to definitely sit back, sit deep, and try to catch you on the counter using Adama Traore's pace. So I'll go with David Luiz. Those long balls over top, and he's one that is the type of person who can create and play those long balls in behind the defense. So David Luiz, Gabriel, and we definitely need the leadership quality on the field from David Luiz. At left back, Kieran Tierney. Double pivot of El Nini, Thomas Partey, but El Nini is out. For this purpose, I will definitely go with Thomas Partey and Ceballos. Best midfield player I can think of at the moment. So Thomas Partey, Ceballos. Midfield three in front of the double pivot. On the right, I think Arteta will go with Willian on the right. In the middle, I'll go with Joe Willock, breaking the defense line, getting inside the box, creating an extra level of danger. On the left hand side, I'll go with Saka. If Willian is not cutting it, I will definitely prefer to go with Reece Nelson on the right, Saka on the left, and put Joe Willock in the central attacking midfield position. We know for a fact that he has some of the qualities that we need in the midfield area, and we definitely need to get the best out of him by doing it. And up front, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and this is a choice not only made by me, but also by 99% of all Arsenal fans who are thinking logically. Now, that was my starting lineup. Formation 4-2-3-1, and I'll say again, back four, right back Ainsley Maitland-Niles, David Luiz, Gabriel, left back Kieran Tierney, double pivot of Thomas Partey, Ceballos, midfield three in front of the double pivot. We have to the right Reece Nelson, central attacking midfield position. We have Joe Willock. On the left, we have Bukayo Saka. Up front, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. That is my start lineup. That is what I would love to see. That is what I would go with. And I think that we can see a bit more fluency, more things happening inside the midfield area, and we can go with it. But first up, I'll definitely go with Mr. Black here. He's going to give you his insight, what he thinks, and how he believes it's going to pan out.
Hey, this is Brixton representing for Military Gooner TV, and today we're here for weekend's game, the goal predictions and lineup. So I wrote it down. So in goal we have Bernd Leno, of course. We have Tierney, Gabriel, Holding, and Bellerin. And in midfield we'll have Partey and Ceballos, and we have Saka, Willock, and Nelson. Up front we'll have the captain, of course, Aubameyang, and the formation will be a 4-2-3-1. Well, I do think we'll win this game 2-1. I don't think we'll keep a clean sheet. I know it will be a hard fought game, but I do think we'll pull off this victory. It's a must-win game for us this weekend, and I really think we'll pull off a victory.
That's what he believes that Mikel Arteta has found out. That is his prediction, 2-1. That is what he believes might happen. Now I'm going to go check out next person, Mr. All, and he has his own insight on what he thinks might happen. Now, Go in, Mr. Hall. Your time.
Yeah man, military gunner. You know the thing. So first and foremost, I go with 4-4-2 for the weekend match. So I go with Leonard in the goal. My back four would be Tierney, Gabriel, David Luiz, and Bellerin. I think David Luiz has been missing in the past couple of matches. I mean, his passing ability and ability to read the game is very good as long as he don't make any stupid mistakes. Gabriel is solid as always. I hope he'll be solid over the weekend as always. Tierney and Bellerin have been on bits for a while now, especially Bellerin coming back to his own. In the middle, I'm not sure if El Nini will be available, but if he is, it will be El Nini and Party. If not, then it's Ceballos and Party. And then on the flanks, you have Saka on the left, Reece Nelson on the right, given that Pepe is out. And then up top, I would go for Aubameyang and Lacazette, with Lacazette playing a bit deeper. If not, I am tempted to give Balogun a start. I would love to see him get a start beside Aubameyang, because that little youth have a lot of things to prove him. I see him taking away Nketiah's game. Nketiah is too wasteful nowadays, way too wasteful. So I am looking forward to see Balogun taking Nketiah's game. Nketiah can go on loan in January or something, or try to learn from Balogun. I mean, I always say 4-4-2 with our current squad is the best formation for us. It's attacking and at the same time, depending on how you play it, it can be very defensive. You have the flanks covered by two players on either side. You have the middle covered by 4 players. You know, so you have a double block, and then you have that middle core can transition from defense to attack easily, depending on the players that you have in the side. We need to see Aubameyang up top, not on the wings. Please, Arteta. And we just need the guys to come out with hunger and zeal and the intention to win the game and not draw the game. And hoping that the manager just, send out the guys on the right with a right mindset, attacking mindset. But at the same time, we can't go to gung-ho because, Wolves is a counter-attacking side. Especially with the fast youth, where them have Traore. At the same time, we need to see more man marking. We need to see Party in the middle, dictating, up for it. We need our wingers to be the creators, since as we don't really have a number 10. So I would say 4-4-2, do some overlapping on the wings, and call it a day, Bless up.
Alright, so thank you very much, Mr. Hall and Mr. Black, for your score predictions, also your tactical insight on what you think might happen. It was good to know that you guys have an open mind that we can win and we can take this game to them instead of them taking it to us. Now, thank you very much for the opportunity to join me today. Also, I want to say thank you very much all those who are here. Before you go, drop a like, please share and subscribe. Now, this is the Military Gooner TV. Peace, I'm out. Oh, before I go, you see that man? You see that soldier right there? See what he's doing? Keep your mask on. It is saving us all. Protect yourself. Mask on at all time. Military Gooner. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.